Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so why do we do this? Now, if I go ahead and highlight this and cut it, you'll notice that I can start typing in whatever I want, right? I can type in whatever I want, and you're thinking, well, why did we do all this extra coding when we didn't really need to? Well, the answer is that, even though this is an HTML editor, real websites require this. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you something that's really important, and that is the paragraph tag. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to push this 10 times, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and push the P, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and close that as well, P. Now, one thing to note is that if this is a capital P, that is definitely not good. They should all be lowercase, okay? So now that we have a P, we can type in something. Okay, there we go. That's all it is for the paragraph. Now, you're probably wondering, why do we do this? Because if I go ahead and type something outside of here, like this, well, guess what? Basically, the same thing happens, and you're saying, well, why do we go ahead and add in that extra tag? We didn't really need it. I can do this without that. And again, this P and this paragraph tag is there so that we can end up styling it later and we can add in other attributes to it. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.